Hello and welcome back everyone to Bonafide Acoustics. Today we will be unboxing Audiosense T300. Comes with this package. It is quite different than the rest of the models, especially the AQ3. It comprises of all balanced armature, 3 per side. So we are greeted with this box, this manual. Everything is in Chinese. No specifications. No specifications. So this is the carrying case. These are the IEMs. These IEMs are sort of they tried to copy, or they tried to make something like automatic series, small nozzles and all balanced armatures model. So these are the IEMs. The nozzle is pretty small and it doesn't come out easily, and I broke the padding. So these are the nozzles. These do have Knowles balanced armatures, and furthermore it does have a Knowles dampener, I guess, so you can change the sound quality or sound filter as per your requirement. So it is a quite unique set. And about the initials, I would say that the fit is extraordinary good, and you can easily wear them for many hours without losing or without having any fatigue or anything. These are pretty great as far as comfort is considered. Aside from comfort and everything, so the main issues I have with the issue or any cons that I would think is that the nozzle is pretty small for an IEM. So the normal air tips won't fit on these IEMs. Apart from that, the IEMs I've already told you guys that it has 3 balanced armatures. About the sound characteristics of these IEM, it is quite different tuned IEM. By differently tuned IEM, I mean they have a dark signature to them, slight mid bass emphasis, and sub bass is subdued because balanced armature cannot give you that perfect sub bass or that sub bass rumble or that sub bass air which you get from a dynamic driver IEM. So these IEM do not have dynamic driver, so the sub bass is somewhat subdued or lacking in texture, but it is there present. The mid bass is quite forward in these IEMs, and the mid bass have very good texture and control and speed as well. So the IEMs comes with the MMC-XX connector, comes with this silver cable of Audiosense, pretty standard. You guys might have seen many cables from Audiosense by now. So yes, I was talking about the signature. The signature is quite dark, but it doesn't have any it doesn't misses any details in the treble region. So it is a dark set with every bit of treble detail you can find in the IEM. It is a slightly mid forward IEM with mid bass hump and some treble and the treble extension is somewhat subdued, relaxed in my opinion, but it doesn't loses its quality or loses its what you can say there. The treble doesn't loses itself. It is there present, but it is not prominent or bright or in your face kind of treble. This is a very unique set, and in terms of tuning, because it reminds me of some of the older model of Westons and the very old models of Westons, which had somewhat a dark signature of IEM. These are not dark, but I would not say them as a bright IEM or any. I won't give them any other specific um, nameplate. So the mids are forward, the mid bass is forward, and the treble is somewhat lacking, but not in the quality or in the information, but that it is somewhat behind the mix. These do come with foam tips of Audiosense, which I don't think you would ever need with these IEMs, because the treble is already quite relaxed. And these are the IEMs which I would recommend on a flight or an airplane, which you because these have exceptionally great noise isolation, and apart from that they have a sound signature which will suit for longer listening or longer period of time. And these do have genuine Knowles armatures. I did tested them out, and these do have real Knowles armature. So yeah, the other IEMs, specifically the all balanced armatures IEMs, are on the way of the Audiosense, which I will review later on. Especially the DT200, which I am very intrigued about, because I wanted to know what they have done to that IEM, because it has only two balanced armature compared to the T300, but it does have tubing in it. So yeah, these are the IEMs. Hope you like it. Do check out my other reviews, and I will be giving them a final review in which I will talk about the sound characteristics and especially the staging, imaging, and everything. As far as the initial impressions come, these do have a somewhat intimate stage, not a very huge or very wide stage. Well, thank you for listening, and do check out my older videos. Thank you.